expert bathroom remodeling services in Orem, Utah. For homeowners in Orem, Utah, looking to upgrade their bathroom, EagleRidge UT is your trusted expert for top-quality remodeling. Serving zip codes 84057, 84058, 84097, and 84059, we specialize in transforming bathrooms into functional, stylish, and comfortable spaces. Our comprehensive remodeling services include everything from design and planning to demolition, plumbing, electrical work, and structural modifications. We install bathtubs, showers, enclosures, sinks, toilets, mirrors, cabinets, and countertops, ensuring a seamless renovation process. EagleRidge Utah also provides expert tile installations for floors, walls, and showers, alongside premium flooring options like tile, vinyl, and hardwood. We handle painting, trim work, molding, and door or window replacements to complete your bathroom's transformation. For those seeking luxury features, we offer heated flooring, smart technology integration, saunas, steam rooms, jacuzzi tubs, bidets, skylights, and custom cabinetry. Accessibility modifications, such as grab bars and walk-in tubs, ensure safety and convenience for all homeowners. With a commitment to craftsmanship and customer satisfaction, EagleRidge UT delivers high-quality results on time and within budget. Experience a stress-free remodeling process with clear communication and expert execution. Ready to transform your bathroom in Orem? Call us today at 801-784-1457 for a free estimate and start your renovation journey with EagleRidge UT.